Good morning, London. I am with Beb and Mother Dear and si Tita Rose and Tito Mok. Susunod sila. So, it's a beautiful day today to travel. It's 5:45 in the morning and we are heading to the train station and we're going to meet Jenna, Jay, and the girls. Tapos, tayo ay magta-travel via Eurostar and we are gonna go to Paris. France. We're gonna go to Paris. So, ayun, I'm excited today and maaga kaming nagising to get ready and all of that stuff. So, yan ang aming bit-bit. Baby's still yawning. It's really early and we woke up really early today. So ayun guys, let's go and take the train ride. Platform 1 via Paddington. Dito yung pinaka-umpisa nitong particular train na to sa Hammersmith. That's why wala pang tao. Well, meron pero ilan lang. So, we will be one of the first passengers for the day. So ayan, hanap tayo ng pwesto.
The next station is Goldhawk Road.
Ayan sila.
So you just got it online anyway.
Everybody's going to Paris.
Yeah.
Malamig to mamaya. Man.
Ano yung mga ano? Ay! Wala.
Ayan, we just boarded. This is Eurostar. It's underwater, right? Underwater train going to Paris. So, ayun. Papahinga
Turo ka
muna
na,
kami.
Turo ka
Papahinga
na.
muna kami of at least 2-hour train ride. Na naman din daw kami makikita kasi nga underwater. So, pahinga na lang tayo.
Oh yeah.
Diyan palang init. Talaga yan eh. Welcome in.
Welcome in. Ay, hindi na. Welcome in. Wala tayo sa Paro. Because we are in Paris.
Paris.
Paris. Ayan. Daming tao. Welcome to Paris. still here inside the station. We bought some cards to tap when we go ride like yung metro, yung bus. And then we're still like we're going back and forth kasi nga hindi kami familiar dito. But I think we found the station where we're supposed to exit para naman makapagliwaliw na tayo sa labas. So ayan, we're walking towards Metro 2. So doon tayo mag-exit. We made it out.
Saan tayo?
So we are going
tayo?
that way.
This way?
That way.
This way daw, babe.
Okay.
Are we gonna go to Blanche?
La Chapelle tayo.
Yeah, we're going up to the train station.
Oh, it's not a bus, but a train. Ayun.
Kami sa Diabing Sad.
Voila.
That's the famous Moulin Rouge.
Oh.
I think it was different area. I need to find our way to the hotel. Right.
Tangkal yun na.
Yeah.
Dito kailangan marunong ka mag-ano. Hindi ka mag...
Ricky Pling Hotel. Joke, joke, joke. to sweet pineapple. Huh. Ayan. Very compact. But this is pretty much all you need because you'll be out and about anyway. Tulugan lang siya talaga, literally.
Happy?
Ayan. Very nice, cozy, beautiful shower. Bathroom. Oh, so cute. And then ay, ano ba to? You open it?
Baliktad, pataas. Pataas.
Ayun. Kailangan lang pala ng konting push. Wow. Bonjour. Welcome to Paris.